Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Babul Hassan. In this video, I love to share the most important phrasal verb that is bank on. Bank on it means talk at great length. দীর্ঘ সময় ধরে কন্টিনিউয়াসলি কথা বলতে থাকা বোঝায়। মানে bank on it this phrasal verb it means talk at great length মানে দীর্ঘ সময় ধরে কথা বলা। যেমন for example, your friend talk so much. He or she is talkative person, right? Talkative person talks so much without breaks. So you can in this time you can say he bank on for 1 hour, but no one was listening her speech. So no one her listening her speech, but he don't care. He talk continuously. So it bank on it means talk at great length মানে দীর্ঘ সময় ধরে কথা বলতে থাকা বোঝালে আমরা great bank on এই phrasal ভার্বটি ব্যবহার করতে পারি। So that's all about it. Thank you so much.